Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So today we're in the next step of our overseeding process. As you can see, we dethatched the lawn. Now we're going to clean it up. It makes life a lot easier if you have a mower that has a bagger on it. But like I said, you could do this by hand, you could rake it up, use a leaf blower, and that'll do the job. But we want to get as much of this thatch up as possible. So I have my mower set to slightly higher than when I mowed. And we're just gonna go ahead, make a few overlapping passes, try to clean up as much of this garbage as we can. As you can see, with the bagger, it makes the cleanup a lot easier. And we're picking up a lot of material. Overlap. And we're going nice and slow because we want to try to pick up as much of this stuff as we can. See the difference where we picked it up and before we started. Now, just to show you how much material we picked up, look at that. The bagger's full already. And we only did a couple of passes, maybe a section, I want to say 7 feet wide. But you can see how nicely we're picking up all that thatch that we pulled out. See the difference. You can see we have nice, you can see the soil. So when we put down a new seed, we're gonna have nice seed to soil contact. So I'm gonna go ahead, empty out these bags, then finish the rest of the yard off camera. All right, thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and take care. Thank you.